Vandebharat Express. Now I will show you the features of this. गाइस इधर हम वेट दबा के वेट कर सकते हैं वगैरह। यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है our seat is window seat. Here is Amritsar station. Look the view, guys. Here, guys, it is stable like this, and here is some network profiles, and we will hang something with this. This is too good. And there is a button for set our seat like this, and our seat will set according to our. Here is newspaper also available. Guys, here is right to this, then it will blow. Okay. Bye guys.